In the previous sections, we looked at the different ways we can find and select medicines for your ease of use and to save time. eScripting also allows you to save scripts and add them to favorite scripts and chronic scripts, and save your favorite medicines, mixtures and ICD-10 codes so you can access them when you need to. First, we will look at saving to favorites, and afterwards we will cover the details of working with the script item editor. Later on in this tutorial, we will discuss how to work with the script item editor and cover the details of adding custom directions for your medicines or mixtures before you save them to the favorites and chronic lists. Let's first look at saving to favorite scripts. Once you have populated your script list, click on Add to Favorite Scripts. A window will open up and you will be given two options. To add and save a new favorite script, type in a name. Then click the Save button. Your script has been saved to favorite scripts. The contents of this is added here to the favorite scripts list. Now to bring up a previously saved script, you have two options. You can double-click on the main heading of the script to bring in the whole script with all its contents. You will see it has added the whole script and its contents. Alternatively, instead of adding the whole script and all its contents, you can double-click a single item to add it into the script. Single item added. You may also replace an existing favorite script with a new or updated script. To add and replace a script, click Add to Favorite Scripts. Select the script from Favorites Scripts to be replaced. Provide a new name for the script that will replace the script you have just selected and click Save. Favorite scripts have been updated with the replacement script. Let's now look at chronic scripts. How to save chronic scripts. Bring in previously saved chronic scripts or modify a chronic script. Saving, adding or opening chronic scripts work in the exact same way as with favorite scripts, except that instead of clicking Add to Favorite Scripts, you would instead click Add to Chronic Scripts. There's one major difference between chronic scripts and favorite scripts. Chronic scripts are linked to the patient who has prescribed that specific script, where favorite scripts may be used for any patient. Populate your script with your desired medicines. Once your script is complete, click Add to Chronic Scripts. A window opens up where you can either add a new chronic script or replace an existing one. For now, we will add a new chronic script. Specify the name of the chronic script. When you are done, click Save. The script will be saved for this specific patient. Confirmation that the script has been added to chronic scripts. This is the newly added chronic script. You might sometimes want to bring in a saved favorite script. Remember that a chronic script is linked to a specific patient. Although you may have multiple chronic scripts saved for a number of patients, this chronic script list does not reflect all the chronic scripts for all those patients. This chronic script list only displays chronic scripts for your currently selected patient. To view chronic scripts for all patients, select the box Show Chronic Scripts for All Patients. Enter a patient's name to find the chronic scripts for that patient, then click on the search button. Search will display chronic scripts matching your input. Leaving the text box blank will display all chronic scripts across all patients. All chronic scripts have been displayed for all patients. Remember that when you add to chronic scripts, you are given two options. You may decide to add a new chronic script, or you may replace an existing one. If you choose to replace an existing script, select that option and select a script to replace from the list, then click Save. Aside from saving entire scripts to favorite or chronic script lists, e-scripting also allows you to save individual medicines. Sometimes a single medicine is used to treat different conditions, or have different directions for use. You may wish to save a certain medicine along with certain characteristics, such as directions, dosage, quantity, treatment, etc. Or you may simply want to add a medicine for your own convenience. Let's look at how to save a medicine to favorite medicines. Once you have entered all the details for your medicine, right-click on the medicine title. Click Add to Favorite Medicines. A window will pop up, which will allow you to enter a name or a description which is meaningful to you for future reference, for example, Medicine X for treatment of children or Medicine X for adults. Click Save. The medicine and its properties are saved to favorite medicines. Remember that you have two options when adding a medicine to your favorite medicines. Just as before, with the other favorite and chronic script lists, you can also replace an existing favorite, instead of adding a new favorite medicine. Select the option Replace Existing Favorite, then select the favorite medicine you would like to replace. Specify the new name and click Save. The information bar will also notify you when a favorite is added. Let us now look at saving to favorite ICD-10. You may want to add a frequently used ICD-10 to favorites. There are two ways in which you can add a ICD-10 to favorites. You can either select a script line item that already contains a ICD-10 code that you have previously specified or selected, and add it from that script line item. The second method involves using the ICD-10 browser in the favorite ICD-10 accordion list to search and select an ICD-10 code to be added to favorites. Let's look at the first method, adding a ICD-10 from the script line item. If you already have an ICD-10 selected in a script line item, right-click that script line item that contains the ICD-10 you want to add. Click on Add ICD-10 Code to Favorites. Specify a name in which you would like to save that ICD-10 code, then click OK. ICD-10 code added to favorites. The second method in which you can add ICD-10 to favorites is by using the ICD-10 browser. To do this, first select Favorite ICD-10 accordion list. Click ICD-10 browser button. The ICD-10 browser window opens up. Here you are given 3 options in which you can find and select the ICD-10 code you want to save in Favorites. The first way is to type in and search for the ICD-10 code, if you already know it. The second method is to browse the contents of the ICD-10 list manually. The third method is to search for the ICD-10 code by its description. Type in the description and click Search. Select your description from the search results. Double-click to select the ICD-10 code you want. The ICD-10 is selected. Click Add to Favorites. Specify a name in which you want to save this favorite, and click OK. Click on Done. In this case, eScripting notifies you that you don't already have an ICD-10 code selected, and asks you if you want to use your last favorite ICD-10 code. Regardless of your choice, your ICD-10 code has already been saved. Your ICD-10 code has been saved to Favorite ICD-10s, with your specified description. You can also remove items from your favorites. From the accordion lists, you can remove a favorite script, chronic script, favorite medicine or favorite ICD-10 from your favorites lists. To do this, right-click on the favorite you want to remove. Then click Remove from Favorites. You can do this with any of the favorites in the accordion panel.